longing to reconnect with your partner like when you first met? Imagine that gaze filled with love and adoration, just like before. Over time, routines take over. Work, family, and responsibilities push intimacy aside. Conversations fade, fun moments become rare, and the distance grows. You still love each other, but something feels missing. This exclusive couples retreat is designed to reignite your connection, bringing back the intimacy, trust, and passion that make your bond unbreakable. Nestled along the sun-kissed coast of Apulia, this private escape offers a safe space for healing, self-discovery, and deeper love. Step away from the routine and embrace the chance to rebuild intimacy and trust. Deepen your emotional and physical connection. Strengthen your bond as a couple. Discover a renewed sense of love and togetherness. Take this journey together, because your relationship deserves it. Love. Benefits of an intimacy retreat. Get a rare opportunity to really unplug, decompress from the city life, and remind yourself about healthy habits for body and mind. Have a wonderful time learning a different practice than your own. Drop out of normal life for a period. Peace and quiet for the mind, refreshing energy for the body. Feel a deeper state of connection and love with your partner. Reignite your connection and create unforgettable memories with your partner. This exclusive retreat is designed to bring you closer, deepen intimacy, and restore balance in your relationship. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in your love and well-being. Ready to take the next step? Click the link below to explore more details and book your spot today. Your journey to a stronger, more connected relationship starts now.